Okay, that's what I'm fitting. It's a flush mounted latch. You see how there's a lot of locks have a little hook, and you have to dig it in. But that one's just this is the old one. It's an old Yale. So you take out those two screws first. There's two little screws there, and they go in there. So the next one you take out is the lock cylinder bolts. So those are easy too. We're gonna have to take this plate. We're gonna have to take this plate off and put the new plate on. And hopefully the holes are gonna line up nicely. It's a nice rainy day in England. Supposed to be outside painting. Been checking it down since about this morning sometime. These are long screws. If you was putting a new kit in, you might have to cut these to adjust them to fit properly. A couple more screws there and there. So let's get those out. This one is easy because you can look up in the hole and see where the screws go in. And it actually lines up on the same holes, the screw holes there, so you get it nice and centered. And then you really want to torque on these. You really want to get those good and tight. Then a couple of screws in there. It'll be time to put the hook back on. I'm seeing y'all use the same screws I took out. Okay, so it's time to offer this thing up to the thing. Turn that so it lines up with your keyhole. You want to make sure that gets in that hole, just like that. It's in there. It's nice and flush. 2 screws, and we're hopefully done. See where the screws, bro. So I think you can figure out the last 2 screws, can't you?